Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Superstar foods for brain health. Diet has a profound impact on the structure, function, and the health of our brains. Here are 4 foods, delicious foods, your brain loves and why. 1, salmon, particularly wild salmon. Wild salmon is arguably the highest quality protein for brain health. This oily fish is the richest source of the all-important but difficult to come by omega-3 fats, DHA, and EPA. These vital fats are critical for both healthy brain structure and optimal brain function. As a huge added bonus, salmon is also an outstanding source of 5 other key brain nutrients: magnesium, B vitamins, zinc, vitamin D, and choline. Because it is so clean and sustainable, wild salmon is superior to farmed, but farmed is just fine if that is all that is available for you. Number 2, avocados. Avocados are a supreme food for brain health. A review of their nutritional profile reads straight from the winning playbook of eating for optimal brain health. They are chock full of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that promote healthy blood flow in the brain, along with several of the brain's most valued nutrients, including folate, potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin E, and copper. For healthy icing on the cake, they also provide loads of antioxidant carotenoids. Number 3, walnuts. All nuts are exceptional foods for brain health, but walnuts are the cream of the crop. Like other nuts, walnuts are rich in several nutrients instrumental for brain health, including essential amino acids, vitamin E, a full spectrum of minerals, and B vitamins. In addition, walnuts also offer a hefty dose of omega-3 fats, along with especially potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant plant compounds called polyphenols. For many reasons, the brain is uniquely vulnerable to damaging oxidation and inflammation. So these polyphenols are a real boon to brain health. And lastly, number 4, a prudent portion of dark chocolate. When it comes to brain health, dark chocolate really is a dessert you can indulge in without the guilt. Thanks to its exceedingly high levels, ridiculously high levels of plant antioxidants called flavonols, along with its generous supply of magnesium, zinc, and fiber. Yes, fiber. Dark chocolate is fabulous for brain health. In fact, dark chocolate is the only food I'm aware of that has been shown to acutely boost both mood and focus. And if you consume a prudent portion, which is up to an ounce daily of high cacao dark chocolate, 72% or greater, it barely makes a dent in your daily sugar quota. Lastly, feel free to pass this video on to your friends and loved ones, because one of the greatest gifts we can give and one of the greatest gifts we can receive is the gift of better health. Thank you.